Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if in case you are new, my name is Glory and you're welcome. So please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. So let us just jump in right now. So today we are going to be preparing sumptuous fried plantain potato egg sauce. And here are my ingredients. As you can see in here, we have our green pepper, our scotch bonnet pepper, our onion, our cube, our meat, groundnut oil, salt to taste, our black pepper, tomato, our eggs, potato, and our plantain. So what we're going to be doing right now, firstly we're going to boil our meat. A little salt, black pepper, just a little, 2 onion, 1 cube. So right now we're going to add in a little water. So we're going to leave this to cook for a few minutes. So while waiting for our meat to cook, we're going to be peeling our potato and our plantain. Okay, we just have to peel our potato like this. So we're going to cut it like this. So right now, cut off this. Okay, so after cutting it, we'll have to place it this way. Not too small. Now we'll have to take this off our board. Just like this. Put this aside. Now for our plantain. You can also use the unripe one. Anyone, your choice. Okay, so set this aside. Okay, now we have to cut our plantain like this. Right, these are our plantain and our potato. I'm gonna set this aside. Our meat is ready. We're going to set this aside. Then our pan. So we are through with this. So next we're going to fry our meat. I'm going to fry this now. Our meat is ready, so put this aside. Now it's time for us to mix our egg. Put in a little salt to your taste, black pepper cube. I need to mix this very well. Okay, I'm going to put in our onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and our green pepper. So right now I'm going to leave this for some minutes. This is about 3 minutes now. So we're going to add in our mixed egg, our mixed eggs. This is the final stage. You just have to pieces your egg, because we're going to be using it for plantain and not for bread. Okay, our egg is ready, family, and this is our result. Our fried plantain, potato, and egg sauce is ready. So please join us. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Support me by subscribing. I really do need your support right now. And please turn on the bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. And I will see you right in my next video. Thank you.